Okay. Hi guys. Sorry I can't be here with you this afternoon. But if you're heading off on the Washington trip, then I hope you have an amazing time. If not, I will see you on Wednesday of next week. So we're going to start a little bit of an exponential function activity today, and we'll do another one on Tuesday for those of us who are still here, or Wednesday, sorry. And the one you do today, completing it is worth 10 points. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but completing it and trying all the parts is worth 10 points. And so go into your Schoology and your upcoming, and you want to click on 7.1, Exploring Exponential Function Activities. You can either click on the link in the attachment, you can click on the link where it says Desmos class, or you can go to student.desmos.com and type in the code. You don't want to do this through the app, okay? So just go to this website. So I'm going to click there. When I click on the link, it already has the code there, so I'll click join. And then I want you to sign in with your school Gmail account. So I am going to do it with my personal one. That way I won't show up as a teacher. Hold on, where's my keyboard? Sorry. Well, now I gotta tell Google that it's really me. Okay, sorry. So now that I've done that, you see two activities once you're in here. Marble slides. I know you guys got a little frustrated with that when we did it with the parabolas. So that one is an extra credit one. So what I want you to start with is discovering the exponential function. So click start. Start activity. Okay. So this first page is we're just reading about exponential functions. The general form of the exponential function can be written as k times a to the power of x. So remember, the exponent being a variable is what makes it an exponential function. We're changing that variable all the time. And plus c. So those k, a, and c, those three variables are going to get replaced with numbers. And that's what this activity is helping you explore, is what those numbers do. All right, so here they're just changing the a. They're changing the number that's raised to the power. And this piece down here is a slider. So you can tap on that little dot and you change it. And as that number gets bigger, you want to try and identify what's happening to your graph. When it's 1, here it is. When it goes to 2, 3, 4, da, 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 da. You can also click the little play button and it will change on its own up and down. All right, so when it says move the slider, it's just talking about that little dot. And then you are going to type something here. Looks cool. Yep, your response is going to be much more thoughtful, and then share with the class. And what other people say will show up down below, 3 other random people. So tab through where it says next up top, and answer all the prompts, okay? When you're done, you don't need to submit anything from Desmos to me. You just want to go onto Schoology and tell me you completed the assignment, and I'll take a look at Desmos. And because you signed in with your school account, I can see your name and what you did, okay? But make sure you actually do something on every slide so that you complete it. You'll get 10 points for completing it. And then if you're done with that, oh, I didn't want to go back out. Join. Then you can start the marble slide activity, where, if you remember, you're changing these equations, hitting launch, and you're trying to collect all the stars, okay? So in this case, they did it with 2, and then you would click next, and now you want to change your equation to actually collect all the stars. So you can type in here. So think about what those numbers do in the transformations, and use those numbers to help you do the marble slides. All right, so just an investigation, and we'll do a little arts and crafts activity next Tuesday. But again, 10 points for completing the first one, and this one, the marble slides, is extra credit. So start with discovering the exponential function, okay?